Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the exact content you want to capture. Make sure menus and windows are arranged. Once done, choose the right key combo for your system. Print screen copies full desktop, Alt plus print screen captures active window, Windows plus Shift plus S opens the snip overlay. You use the snip overlay when you need precision. It gives selection tools. Keep in mind where the image will go, clipboard versus file, so you can complete the next step without losing the shot. Now perform the capture with confidence. Press the key combo you picked. If you used Windows plus Shift plus S, drag to create a selection, then release. This saves to clipboard and shows a notification. Next, immediately open an editor like Paint or Word, paste with Ctrl plus V and inspect the image. Once visible, crop or annotate as needed, then use File Save as to export. This step ensures you convert a clipboard image into a persistent file and avoid accidental overwrites. Finish by saving your screenshot. Choose PNG for sharp detail or JPG to reduce size. Name the file and pick a clear folder. Once saved, use the Share menu or attach the file to email or chat. Verify the image displays correctly. If nothing appears after a capture, troubleshoot. Make sure keyboard shortcuts are enabled, check clipboard history, and confirm snipping tool or screenshot utility has permission to run. If keys still fail, restart the app or reboot the machine, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.